Today we are working on plunger seal for the clutch on a 1994 625 LC4 SXC. So basically, done this before. It seems like it only lasts about a year, and then the seal on the plunger takes a dump, and then you gotta replace it once you lose the compression. So this is the kit I'm using. It's All Balls Racing. Find it online for about 30 bucks, delivery $40. Basically, first thing first, unscrew the screw, the sleeve, which goes right in here. Just took that out, so basically compression came off. I had to pull this off. I'm just showing you. Unfortunately, you guys are one step behind me. Just showing you what it is. Then the one tool that you're primarily going to need is, forget what it's called, but little compression ring seal thing. Just do here. Grab this. You get it. I pretty much have it halfway out, so you guys need to see. Little plastic O-ring sleeve fell out. And what you're gonna do is this thing will just slide right out. Boom. You're gonna have to put some new oil, some Magura oil, mineral oil. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the new one. We'll put it in. All right. All right. So we're gonna put the new one in. Put the new one in. Spring side will go in. Plastic grommet outside. Clip ring after that. Slide right in here. As you can see. The hardest thing is the compression clip, and that's about it. Besides, this is an easy fix. Alright guys, now we're going to put the compression ring on. Then after will be the boot. And put it back together. And you put clutch lever back on. This is going to be the hardest part. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to see it.